wondered how to experience Amsterdam beyond the usual tourist spots without spending a fortune? Well, we've got you covered here at White Tulip Hostel Amsterdam. We know the city inside out, and our free walking tour is the perfect way to unlock the hidden gems that even some locals don't know about. Walking with us, you'll dive into the real Amsterdam, from secret courtyard gardens tucked away behind historic canals to quirky street art you'll never spot from the main streets. We'll show you cozy cafes where students hang out, the best spots to grab a leftover stroopwafel for just €1, and peaceful corners where you can pause and soak in the city vibe away from the crowds. Our guides bring the city's stories to life, mixing history with insider tips that come straight from years of living and exploring here. Plus, because it's a free tour, you decide how much you want to contribute at the end. No pressure, just good vibes and good company. If you're thinking of joining, remember to wear comfy shoes and bring a curious mind. The group sizes are small enough to ask questions and get personalized recommendations. And if you're staying with us, it's an awesome chance to meet fellow travelers and kick off your Amsterdam adventure together. Ready to discover Amsterdam's hidden side with locals who know their stuff? Click the link in the description to learn more and sign up for the 2024 free walking tour right now. We can't wait to walk with you.